Hi guys, let's talk a little bit how to write Amazon ads headline in any language, literally any language. It's pretty simple using custom GPT, or you can use Claude, whatever you like, but the principle is all the same. I'm going to share how to do it, and I'm going to share the exact instructions that you need to use so you can replicate this in your team. So here what it does. So I've just added simple conversation starters. You can add your own languages. These are some of the languages that I use most often while creating the sponsor brands and sponsor display headlines. So let's say, for example, that I need headlines in German. What it does is it's going to ask me some pre-populated questions like what kind of products is it? Is there a brand name? What makes them special or different? Those are the standard questions. So let's do something like that. And this is the prompt that I want to use. Let's say they are selling dog umbrellas, so dogs can walk freely while it's raining, and these umbrellas are made of pure gold. Target audience is 95-plus-year-old Germans. Let's see what it's going to do. And there you go. So you will have 10 different headlines in the language that you wanted to have it, and then you will have an English translation. You can customize this to have some different language for the translation, or you can customize whatever you like. And there you go. So gold umbrella for happy rainy days, walks in the rain in style, your dog stays dry and elegant, and so on and so on. It's very efficient. You can just say, okay, give me another 20. If you don't like any, you can just based on already provided details, you can then go on, and then you can also continue and say, for example, if you did that, if you did this for German marketplace and you want to do the same for Italian marketplace, you can just say, give me another 10 in Italian. There you go. No need to input again the new prompt or whatever. No, you're just gonna crunch it, and there you go. It's pretty amazing how to do this. So just go ahead and create custom GPT. You can give it an icon, a name, a short description, and this is the prompt that I'm sharing down below in the first comment. This is the prompt that I use. What it's important to mention here is that this prompt uses all the guidelines for headlines, so you will not have headlines that will not be approved. Of course, it's going to be no longer than 50 characters. So I literally went in and copied all the guidelines that Amazon is giving us when creating headlines. Don't use text in all caps, random capitalization, or camel case, or whatever. Don't use incomplete sentences. We cannot mention pricing. We need to speak to customers as you would in conversation. So it's some of the best practices. Simple words, avoid slang or idioms. You can customize it if you like. Only capitalize the first word in the sentence and any proper nouns. I had to don't add extra punctuation or special characters because that is not allowed, of course. And here's the thing. So you can customize and say, always provide 10 different examples, so you can do 2 or 100. Because now Amazon is asking us to add up to 10, I think 10 headlines, so they can shuffle and see what works best. So there you go. Just copy paste this. You can use Claude, you can use Gemini, you can use any other, but this is the prompt that you need to use, like not prompt, like the instructions. Or if you use Claude, you can use this skills. You will be amazed how fast it is, how efficient it is, and it will also open up your mind for some new ideas. How can you use these custom GPTs? Let me know if you need any additional help around this, and I'm looking forward to share more tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.